Hi everyone, so today we are going to practice the Kamdhenu cow on an A4 size sheet. I'd like to show you the reference image which I'm using for this. This is a very famous painting from Raja Ram Sharma, and if I zoom it in the corner I can see 2-3 Kamdhenu cows, right? So this will help you understanding the basic outline, and I'm going to guide you regarding the ratio of the cow. So please have a look. So I've drawn a square. It's nearly a square of 18 centimeter height and 20 centimeter width. 20 centimeter is the width. I've taken 5 centimeter width over here, 5, then taken 5.5, then again 5, and then last is 4 centimeter, and I've drawn 3 vertical lines. In the same manner, I've taken 4 centimeter height and I've taken 9 centimeter. This gap is 9 centimeter and this gap is 5 centimeter. This is just a random measurement. I've drawn one cow on a rough piece of paper and I got to know about these measurements. See, if you observe the cow, you will understand that the ratio is nearly a square, right? So you have to draw nearly a square. That's why it's 18 by 20 centimeter. Now we are going to place all the features of the cow. So if you see this box here, the face should be placed, right? So let me just zoom it in and show you what are the details. Yeah, please observe this carefully. So keep the reference image in front of you. You have to, this is a box of say 5 centimeter by 4 centimeter is the height, 5 centimeter is the width, right? Exactly from the middle, you may connect these two lines and these two lines. This will guide you that your face should be placed somewhere inside this triangle, okay? You may randomly draw a triangle as well. Observe, first of all, or maybe this triangle can go slightly out of the box as well, that's also fine. Observe, you have to draw a semicircular shape like this. It can form a spiral. This is a traditional line drawing like this, and then curve it like this. You're drawing the mouth of the cow here like this. Draw very light initially, then curve it down like this and fall on this line. You may go slightly away from the line, okay, like this, and then from this point go slightly away from the line, give it a bump like this, and then curve it down like this. This portion can be slightly darker. Okay. If it is too big, I mean if the shape is too wide, you may make it little longer. Okay. Right, so this is basically the head of the cow. Now we are going to divide this section where the horn of the cow is going to be placed, both the horns. So first is going to be here. Observe the shape. It's going to go out from the shape. This inside curve can be erased later on. And in the same manner, the another horn will start from here. Like this. There are quite a few ornaments which needs to be added in the face. Over here, the placement is somewhere here in this line where you need to place the eye. Okay, so I'm going to begin with the eyebrow. This is the curve for the eyebrow. Observe, this is very important. This is the shape of the first curve. Like this. A semicircular shape for the eyeball. Another semicircular shape inside. Same curve by leaving very little distance just to show the muscle over there. Erasing and redoing the eyebrow curve. Like this. So this is the mostly the face of the eye of the cow. Now you may add some ornaments which are in triangular shape. It's up to you, whatever shape you wish to add. Okay, like this. So this is basically the face. Now we are going to add the ears. So one ear will be placed right below the horn. So it is going to go like this. If you wish to add another ear, it can be more like this shape. Okay. Now from this point, you have to draw the rest of the body. So now you got the ratio, overall ratio. You got that in the first box I need to place my head, and in the rest of the boxes I need to place the body. Okay, so let's draw the body now. So from this part you may also take the ear slightly down if you wish to overlap it with the body, otherwise it's fine. Okay, so basically this is the shape. The cow formed this curve like this, a very smooth curve above this horizontal line. It is going to go straight like this, and then from this intersection maybe you can curve it like this. Like this. Now you have to place all the legs, all the legs in this 4 sections. Immediately after the mouth you may draw this curve. It's going to go down like this and going to meet this intersecting point like this. Okay, now the first you may say last leg over here, so curve it down till here, let it go straight down. Observe the cow which is given in the reference image. You will find out some good shapes. Let it go down like this and meet exactly the bottom line. Okay, this is the foot. You may add the tail also. Tail can go slightly out from the shape, that is fine. Okay, so the last leg can be placed right over here, but it will be, as it's going to be at the another side, so only a little bit gap you have to leave. It should merge here. This is the shape. You may take it a little down if you wish, but that's fine. Now the next 2 leg, the second last, is going to come right here. You have to observe the shape of the leg. Yeah, so this is the second. This is Kamdhenu Cow. You may read a little bit about this character, this mythological character. Okay, so basically the outer line is drawn. Now it's time to add the last leg, which is going to come right here. The last, or you may say the first leg, is going to come exactly in the same line of the head, right? So where the box is beginning, there you may add this first leg. The first leg is in the air, so the shape is such. Okay, so this is how you may add the rest of the details. Some ornaments can be added that will look good. So maybe in the neck of the cow you may add this kind of 2 malas. 1, 2, some latkans can be added. Now it's up to you that whatever elements you wish to add, you may, right? You may add one another mala if you wish. Okay, so it's totally up to you. But basically this is the outer shape of the cow. Okay. Hi students, so now we have already practiced the Kamdhenu guy on an A4 size sheet. Now it's time to place the Kamdhenu guy here in this blank portion. So I have cut out an A4 size sheet in a manner that we can utilize this space. Please observe. Let me just zoom it in. So now we are supposed to place the Kamdhenu guy in this portion. As I mentioned in the previous live session that we will be able to maximum set one of both the sides, right? So first of all, you are supposed to take the center of this box, mark a point, intersect it here at this intersecting point, draw a slant line. This is nothing but the line on which the cow is going to be placed. Right now, as you have practiced this on a rough piece of paper, you already know what is the drill. So first of all, I'm going to take some distance and mark another parallel slant line like this, and I'm going to draw a box like this. Okay, now I'm going to divide this box into 4 nearly equal parts. Now you know what is the distance. We've taken 5.5 somewhere, we've taken 4.4 somewhere, but randomly that is the 4 section that we are dividing the box in. So I'm just connecting here so that in the last portion the tail can come. Okay, so we will go with the same process. We'll mark the center, we'll form the triangle in which the face is going to be placed. If you have practiced this earlier, you know what is the shape of the face. So first of all, draw a spiral for the mouth, let it go straight, a little bump, and like this. Okay, then complete the mouth like this. Okay, now here you may draw this upper portion. First horn, second horn. After multiple practices you will know how to draw these shapes. Let's draw the eye. And the eyeball. You may draw the ear in this section. Another ear will go at the back like this. In this portion, your whole body is going to be placed very near from the mouth. You need to start drawing the shape which will intersect over here. Okay, which will go like this. This portion is going to come here somewhere. Okay, and then maybe you can draw the tail like this. It's okay if there is slight difference in the size of the cow, as the ratio is looking good. That's why I've finished it a little early. Go like this. The first leg will end over here. Okay, and the second leg will form here. Now here there is one leg. This will require a lot of practice first before you start working on the canvas, because the shape is such that it will take time to understand. Now the last leg is here somewhere. Okay, you may add some ornaments if you wish. So maybe here some latkans can come, just to add a complementary element to the face of the cow like this. 2 malas can come here in the neck of the cow. Some latkans like this. You may vary these details as per your wish. Okay, so this is basically the shape of the cow. Later you may make changes as per your wish. Please maintain the thickness of all the legs It shouldn't be one is too thick, shouldn't be one is too thin. Maintain the width of each leg. Okay, so this is basically the outer shape. Now a cow is standing on a leaf, a leaf of a lotus. So you may draw that leaf like this. It is basically an oval shape but slightly wavy like this, and that is going to be the center of that oval, right? Observe that shape using your reference image, and this is your extreme line because here the border is going to come. This is your border. Okay, let me just zoom it out. Now this is your cow and this is the shape of the leaf. You may utilize this blank space and add certain flowers. Okay, so this blank space is also utilized. Even if you wish to add one full lotus, then you can do that. Over here you may utilize the symmetrical method here. Just make sure everything is looking either symmetrical, or if you're going for a random freehand technique, that is also fine, just to try to balance it out, because this space is very less. If I fold it here, this space is very less. Directly the Srinathji's Vaga is coming right here, so you won't be able to add anything in this space, but you have a lot of space here, so you may utilize this. Okay, so this is how the cow is drawn. The same replica on the other side, the mirror image can be drawn on the other side. That's how it is supposed to be done. Please practice first at least 2 times, 3 times on a rough A4 size sheet, right? I've given the measurements, and then you start drawing, because this is a respectively smaller size, so it might get a little difficult to draw. Okay, so please practice first on a bigger size and then go for the canvas. Thank you.